Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, ready to dive into another unboxing. Today we're gonna review the Supreme Warm Up Pants. Now before we review this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss out on any future unboxing or item review. So today we ended up getting the Supreme Warm Up Pants. They're still available. I ended up getting it for $138 and it's a size medium. I ended up grabbing the teal ones just cause I got the black ones and the black ones are fire. It's one of my best pants. I like wearing them cause they're so comfortable, it's light, you get me? So I ended up getting the teal ones. They had other colors like orange, croc, stone, purple, but out of all of them, I like the teal one. So I ended up buying it. Cost me $138 plus shipping. And let's take a look. Let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we got inside. Let's see if we got any new stickers. Let's go. Size medium. You see the Supreme right here on the side. They got zippers right on each side of the pants. Let me know in the comments below if you ever grabbed any of these warm-up pants. Like I said, this is my second pair, and I know these are gonna be up there with the ones that I be wearing frequently. Just cause it's super comfortable, light. Just look at the Supreme site and see if they still have them available, if they sold out. So these are it right here. Warm-up pant, teal, water-resistant nylon with welt zip hand pockets and single back zip pocket, full leg side zip opening with interior drawcord, embroidered logo at left pocket. So you got the Supreme logo right there. You got the two zips on the side of the pants. You got one in the back part of the pants, and then you got the drawcord, the elastic waistband. So let's go and open this up. It also came with the regular Supreme sticker. Adding this to my sticker bag, but I got a whole bunch of these. Teal, you see the Supreme tag right here. So you got the zip, it starts down here and it goes all the way up. But these are a little different because mine's, you can literally zip it out all the way up. So you can take it apart like with the zipper. But these only go up to here, like to the waistband. Definitely still a great piece to add. All nylon. You got the zips on the pocket as well, the zips on the side going all the way down, zip going all the way down on the other side, other pocket with a zipper, and you also got a zipper right in the back. So you can secure all your belongings, make sure they don't fall out whenever you sit down or you go out to places. So this is a fire piece. The black one feels just like this. This one feels like a little heavier. But like I said, you also got the cords right here so you could tie them up. But yeah, the only difference from the old ones that I got, all black, is that it zips all the way up here. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you like any other colorways? So if you look at the Supreme site here, you got them in croc, which I didn't really want that. The stone ones were type fire. I was like, I would get the stone fire. I was between the stone fire and the teal. You also got the orange one, the black ones, which are fire as well. These look like the ones I have. The only thing is that the zipper on the sides go all the way up. It doesn't stop at the waistline. The purple is fire, and they have them all available. Small, medium, large, extra large. These never sold out. You can still grab them at retail. Let's go ahead and try this on. Let me know in the comments below how you think it fits. Would you grab this? Let's go on and try it. Alright guys, so that's it. That is the warm up pant teal color that I grabbed about a couple weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago. And that wraps it up for our item review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.